So like, do you ever have like face-to-face meetings with your clients?
Yeah, a lot.
A lot.
Yeah.
How often do you do that?
I did it twice yesterday. Probably done it 4 times this week.
Like, what do you do in that?
We talk about strategy. We talk about what they need for their IT needs. Yesterday was a amazing business, a family of brothers with lots of restaurants. Yeah. So looking at their systems and their websites and their email and talking about what they needed in their plans. Yep. So lots of different things. Yep. Sometimes I'm on site doing, on Monday I have to go do a SharePoint training class with some new clients that we're onboarding. So it's very lot of different things that I do. Yep. What about you? Well, you do lots of face-to-face.
Yeah. I'm here to learn, so let's see. Because even like, and I can hear, like I said, you are a mirror of the people you serve. So what can I copy from you that you do really well? It's seeing how you meet your clients and the care and the attention to detail you have to go in. So it's okay, happen. Yeah, just came in my mind.
Yeah, and I guess the growth thing is the tricky part, because one of my favourite sayings from my mentor, Rill, is your business is a reflection of you. And I really like that, in that I've always thought when you go to like an Officeworks store, and I love going to Officeworks stores, you go into the store and you can kind of tell what the manager or the owner of the business is like, because there's one particular store that I go to fairly regularly, and every single person you come across is bright and bubbly and happy. What can I help you with? If they see you standing around, somebody's there in a second. Where do you need to go? What do you need? They have the amazing people at the front door who are just handing you baskets. It's just their job. They're, often disabled people who've been given a job that they love, and they've got these beautiful smiles on their faces, and it's such joy to go there, and you can just get in and you can get your stuff and you can get out. And then there's this other Officeworks store that I have to go to sometimes. You can never find anybody to help you. Everybody seems a little bit grumpy. And to me, it always feels like that's coming from the top down, right? They're, maybe they don't feel like they're appreciated. Maybe the boss is struggling with finances or whatever, but, you just... And I just kind of think, how can I, as I build the business, have that same kind of, top-down guidance, I guess, so that the people who you employ are, because your business is a reflection of you, which means that the people that you employ need to also be what you're saying. It's like a mirror of you. Who are those people who are just happy to solve problems every day? And it's not a lot of people who are happy to take on other people's problems, because mostly when people call us, they're in a bit of a state of distress. Something's broken, something's not working, something's really frustrating them, and they've got to get something out and it's urgent, and the internet's gone down or something's happened. So, it's hard finding the right people in your business to continue doing the work the way that you want it to do. And so I think, I heard a company is actually a company. The literal meaning of a company is a group of people. And so really building that group of people to be a reflection of the business that you want.
So I like that. So when you say that the business is a reflection of you, that's like the business reflecting who I am. And can I incorporate that so well that when I'm no longer here, or if maybe we sell it or it gets inherited, that same, me that's there for the customer service. So we see, like you said, why did all these other places have it where that the customer service is great, and that all starts from the top? So is that also what you're talking about? That from the founder, from the CEO, when you go on and you're not even in, they say, who left this.
Yes, I've gone on holiday for a week.
Yeah.
Or a month.
That's saying you being reflected with.
Yes. Yeah, exactly. That. Yeah.